Hey, Eric here from EchoMaster. Today we've got the spare tire off of our Bronco because we're installing the MRCHDDVRBR. Today we're showing that when you take the spare tire off the Bronco, if you set it face down on the ground, you can actually take your camera and bracket assembly, align it with your wheel pattern, and ensure that you've got the bracket set just right for your specific setup. Then if you have the bolts on the back here, you can even tighten these up while we're on the back side of the wheel so we know it's configured properly. That way when we go to put this on the vehicle, we can simply set it in place and then put the wheel on and have success. This is also a good way to see if we need this little riser bar. If we do, we simply unscrew the camera bracket here, install our riser bar, and then we put this camera on it. This particular configuration works well if we've got a wheel that has a larger gap in the center and we need to be able to move the camera up or further out to the side. So again, we just get the configuration that matches our wheel lug pattern. We set the camera bracket where we need it. We can even tighten everything up right here so that we're good to go. We can go ahead and put that on the vehicle and we know we're gonna have success the first try.